Alright, so Disney is at an insane $175.72 with a market cap of 318 billion. So we had a massive run up on Friday with a gain of $21. That is insane. I am deeply saddened by this because if you watch my videos before, you will have seen me say that I have the most faith in Disney. I believe the stock price will hit $300 eventually, and I fear that we're on the verge of it's just going to keep steamrolling, building, and it's not going to slow down. It's now going to become a growth stock. A $21 gain is insane. I'm saddened because I want to buy more Disney. I will make other videos on how much I have in Disney. It's a lot for me, not a lot for other people, but I think it's just the best possible play I could make in the entire stock market. So if it comes down, I'm pumping every single spare cent I have into Disney because this just shows that I'm on the correct path and I'm fairly right about my analysis of Disney. So, in today's news, which is why we had that $20 increase, on Thursday, the company revealed that Disney Plus now has 86.8 million subscribers and announced a slew of new content to the platform. So, we this is just happening every time Disney does an update, and it always comes out when they do their earnings report that the parks are struggling, but Disney Plus just adds 10 million, 20 million people onto that, and boom, it shoots the stock right up. And I'm I'm really hoping it comes down, but I'm fearing it might not. Just because this we're in the territory of Netflix is going to be number 2 a lot sooner than people think. So, because of how fast Disney achieved 86 million, which that is the impressive part about this, which is why people are so bullish on Disney, is now Disney is saying it expects to see 230 million to 260 million subscribers to Disney Plus by 2024. And I believe Netflix has what, around 200 million? And you're talking, what, Disney be just a couple years old and you'll have that much? And Netflix has taken years and years to establish that? That's just solid, solid money. I love Disney. I Again, you should subscribe because I'm going to make some videos real soon about how much I have in Disney and my real game plan about it. They're not a dividend stock, but now they're a growth stock, and it's just going to keep growing. If it comes down, it's going to shoot back up eventually on their next earnings report because this is what, the third, fourth time they've done this, and it's going to just it's going to be insane. This is now going to be Disney's diamond, their golden goose, and this is going to shoot them to a higher stock price. And that's beneficial to everyone that owns. So, do some research, stay on top of it, have some fun, make some money. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.